Hi, this is a Cleft kitty. You can see he's drooling. This is because we've done a cleft palate repair for him. Can I have a closer look at you, baby? Can you open your mouth? He can't. But he's having pain still because that's why. Oh, he's trying to open his mouth there for us. So, this is day 4 now. They're gonna go now after the cleft palate repair. And the lip, when was the lip done? You remember? Yeah, he remembered, he says. That's a cute smile for the pain he's going through. Hi, this is a Cleft cutie. Hey, look here. Hello. Hi. She's going home. And he was a brave guy. We did his palate repair now, a few days ago. Say tata. Say tata. He's a real sweetheart. And you can see he's still having pain, and that's one of the reasons why he's drooling. And that's going to settle down in the next few days. Since traveling and everything is an issue, I'm probably not going to see him in the next week, which is my normal schedule. But anyways, you want to go home? Yeah, going home. Going home. Bye. Say bye. All right, thank you.